10 Most Mysterious Places on Earth. Who doesn't love a good mystery? The planet is dotted with places that are surreal, eerie, and sometimes downright bizarre. And, while many of these mysterious goings-on have logical explanations, others remain stubbornly unsolved. Join us on a virtual tour from your sofa as we take a look at the science, stories, theories, and tales surrounding some of the world's strangest sights. Number 1. Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, covering around 500,000 square miles, more than 1,290,000 square kilometers, between Bermuda, Miami in Florida, and San Juan in Puerto Rico, has seen more than 20 planes and 50 ships crash with no obvious explanation, and even some vanish completely. Theories range from suggestions of supernatural activity to the more logical hypotheses that it's down to magnetic compass variation or rogue waves. Number 2. Richat Structure, Mauritania. Astronauts have been watching the Richat Structure, also known as the Eye of Sahara, in Wadon since humans first entered space. Viewed from the International Space Station, the 30-mile, 48.2 kilometers, wide swirl resembles a bull's eye or snail's shell. The geological quirk was believed to be a crater caused by a meteorite, but it's now thought it was once a dome that has eroded over time. Number 3. Stonehenge, England. This circle of rocks has long been one of the UK's most well-known and mysterious sites, with historians and scientists baffled as to how its builders transported the monoliths 5,000 years ago. In 2019, Newcastle University students may have solved the riddle when they discovered that humans, not aliens, may have dragged the rocks in place using sledges lubricated with pig fat. Number 4. Uluru, Australia. Uluru, or Ayers Rock, in Uluru-Kata Tjuta National Park in Australia's Northern Territory, has beguiled people for centuries and is a sacred spot for Anangu people, with theories that it was formed by ancestral beings who shaped the world. Science suggests the sandstone monolith began forming around 550 million years ago, and centuries of erosion and folding crafted its distinctive oval shape. Its red surface is due to oxidation, while fresh rock beneath is gray. Number 5. Nazca Lines, Peru. Around 300 figures from a spider to a hummingbird are etched into the sands in the southern Peruvian desert, with some lines stretching more than 5 miles, 3.2 kilometers. The pre-Columbian geoglyphs, which cover around 200 miles, 322 kilometers long, had celestial associations or were seen as a giant calendar. Now the most popular theory is that they mark the locations of rituals surrounding water and crops, although the truth remains elusive. Number 6. Great Blue Hole, Belize. Divers and underwater explorers, including French writer and explorer Jacques Cousteau, have fallen under the spell of the world's biggest sinkhole, which measures around 1,000 feet 304 meters across and plunges to 400 feet 122 meters deep. Its deepest, darkest secrets remained a mystery until late 2018, when an expedition team including Jacques Grandson, Fabien Cousteau, and Sir Richard Branson shot video from a submarine, revealing stalactites and unidentifiable tracks. Number 7. Kawah Ijen, Indonesia. These milky turquoise waters may look inviting for a swim, but you wouldn't want to take a dip here. This caldera, formed in the crater of the Kawah Ijen volcano, is the world's largest acidic lake. The electric blue flames that burst into the air are a source of fascination, although, of course, there is a scientific explanation. High levels of sulfuric acid, which give the water its striking hue, combust when they hit the air. Number 8. Lake Hillier, Australia. Pink sand we can just about handle. But a bubblegum-colored lake? From above, contrasting with the nearby blue of the Pacific, Lake Hillier is utterly surreal. Its color is still something of a mystery, but the most commonly accepted theories relate to the lake's high salinity. Number 9. Lake Abraham, Alberta, Canada. Most of the year, this reservoir in western Alberta is an attractive body of water backed by part of the Canadian Rockies. In chillier months it transforms into a magical winter wonderland when what appear to be Christmassy baubles or snowballs form beneath the surface. The truth is less romantic, as the suspended white orbs are pockets of methane gas formed when organic matter decomposes and is frozen into clumps. Number 10. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. It's the stuff that nightmares are made of, a gaping, fiery chasm tearing a hole in the earth. The Darvaza gas crater, or Door to Hell, opened in 1971. Engineers were drilling a natural gas field in the northern Turkmenistan desert when a portion collapsed into an underground cavern. It was set alight to prevent gases from spreading, and it's still burning decades later. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, send us your feedback in the comment box, also share it with your friends.